this is my campsite for the night, the view from it. This is the Schofield Cove campsite on Churchill Lake. Another beautiful spot. It's just, every day it's like, I don't know if I want to leave this spot, it's so nice. And then I leave and find another awesome site. Got my boat pulled up. I don't know if you can see in that frame, but right behind the boat, got the hammock set up. And then got a bunch of stuff out drying because it's a beautiful, breezy, sunny day. Another ginormous fire pit and picnic table. The orange bag is a bag of like tinder that some previous people had left. And now, since it is such a nice, sunny, breezy day, I think I'm gonna rinse out my clothes and take a dip in the lake myself. Alright, getting some wind here at Schofield Cove campsite. Got the tarp battened down here. I don't know if the camera can see that, light's not great. But I kind of got the doors closed on this end. You can kind of see the wind blowing a little bit, even on the off side. The wind's actually coming from the other side. So I think I've got her down pretty good here. Probably gonna be heading to bed soon. No rain yet, but it feels like it certainly could tonight. Got my pack hung up in the back there. I don't know if you can see that. Just to the left of the back of the tent. Ready for the night. View from my beach at the Lost Popple campsite. I think this is on Harvey Pond. Just came off of Long Pond, I believe, and we'll be going over the Long Lake Dam tomorrow morning, kind of first thing, more or less. Got this. It's a little bit of a hike, not really. I mean, a little bit of a walk to the campsite. On the beach, we got this. Spring. I don't know if you can see that, but there's a pipe coming from the spring, so it still needs to be treated, but at least it's clear water. And we've got this nice little path over here to the campsite. So it's kind of tucked away, which is nice. I left the canoe out so that it's obvious that there's somebody camping here. And my tarp at the Lost Popple campsite, strung up and ready to go for sleep. Some gear hanging over here to dry. Fire pit and gear out there. Just waiting for my food to soak and heat up and rehydrate. Hopefully it'll be ready soon because I'm hungry. It is about 5:20. It was a long day. I ended up making my intended campsite, hit that around noon and wasn't ready to stop, especially tomorrow was scheduled to be an 18-mile day. And when I went through Churchill Dam, the weather report said that there's a chance of thunderstorms tomorrow afternoon, so there's a possibility that tomorrow might get cut short, weather depending. So I wanted to go a little farther. So I had my site set on Sam's, which is supposed to be a nice campsite, and somebody else thought it was a nice campsite too and was already there, so I had to push on. This was the next one. It was about 3 miles farther on. And when I first rounded the corner, there were 2 canoes on the beach there, and I was like, no! I mean, I had my backup plan. There's a couple of campsites at the Portage, which is, you know, I think like a mile or less. And then there's an island campsite about 2 miles down from this, so options very close. I prefer not to do the Portage though. I feel like there might be a bunch of people going through. And then the concern with the island is if it's already taken, then my next stop would be several miles past that, when I've already gone multiple miles past my intended. But as I was kind of taking a look at the map and trying to figure out what my options were, the people who were here pulled away. I think maybe they were just taking a pit stop, maybe they were refilling their water with that nice clean spring water. Anyways, they left. There was nothing here. They pulled away, nothing left here, so I skedaddled right in and took it over. So yeah, good day.